Do you like watching advertisements? What if I tell you that you can earn $350 every day by doing this? In today's video, I will show you a step-by-step process on how you can earn while viewing advertisements. This process is easy and quick to do, and what's even better about it is that it's totally free. Welcome again to another video here at Money Express, where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So going back, it might be hard for you to believe this, but this method that I am about to teach you is exceptional. Here at Money Express, we aim to help you earn money online, so I'm definitely sure that you will like this video. What's more interesting is that you can do this while outside or while you are with your friends, and you don't need to use a laptop or computer for this. As long as you have a phone, then you will be able to do this. But just a reminder, please watch the whole video until the end so that you won't miss any important details. This result might be affected if you miss any steps that I will teach you. Rest assured, we will be guiding you in every step, which will help you sharpen your skills. Now, this will be our process for today. First, we will teach you how to register for a free account, and next, we will show you how you can build a passive income without having to exert much effort. First, let's take a look at this website named PTC Share. Go to your browser and type in ptcshare.com. This right here is what you will see on your screen. Now, PTC Share is more than just a pay-to-click, and over 500,000 people have created their accounts in this website. Over $500,000 have been paid to these users from all over the world. They also provided their services, and on a daily basis, they have a minimum amount of cash out. You will see here proof of payments, so this is guaranteed to be 100% real. In this part, you will see the users that have earned the most for the past 2 days. Let's try to click on this. You will see the receipt of this particular user and how much he has earned. How will this website pay you? This will pay you through Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. You will be able to track every transaction you made in this website, as well as the orders that you have purchased from them. Based on actual revenue, they have created a long-term structure which was generated by unique products. Now, how do you get started? First is create an account. Go to the homepage and you will see this button which says Join Us Now. After creating an account, it will be easy to earn money as there will be cash ads ready waiting for you. In addition, you will also receive a welcome gift of 100 BAP, which will be added to your account. This will allow you to receive more cash ads. While you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAP, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. Make sure to have a look at our offers section while you wait on receiving more cash ads. This section has many various tasks that are waiting for you with more possibilities to earn. When you click on the Join Us Now button, you will be asked to type in your username, password, and email address. Click on the CAPTCHA to prove that you're not a robot, and tick this box if you agree to the terms and services. Last step is to click this blue button right here which says Create Account. You will then receive a verification email. So, go to the email address that you used in the account creation, click on the inbox, and follow the instructions on the verification email. After this, you can log into your account by clicking this Login button. Just enter your email address and password, then click on Login. If you like this video so far, click the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell and leave a comment if you want to say anything or maybe ask questions. Now going back, when you log into your account, you will be seeing a message like this. Welcome to PTC Share. you have received 100 BAPs as a welcome bonus. You will also see this message below and you can click the skip button. You will also be seeing your official dashboard like this. Are you confused or do you find it complicated? Don't panic, we are here to help you in doing this. Your information, balance, and points are seen here. Once you scroll down, you will see the tasks and activities here that you need to accomplish, as well as the tasks that have been completed already. Now, click on the Earn button right here. You will be given a list of things that you can do to earn money. Few examples are viewing ads, checking offer walls, doing surveys, watching videos, PTC walls, or referring friends. But our main goal is to earn by viewing advertisements. So click on the view ads right here. Once you click that, you will see this page right here. Activation advertisements, sponsored ads, and completed offers are what you will see. You can earn up to $10 when you do this. You may also choose whatever you like here in order to earn. You will complete more offers once you view more advertisements, and of course, the more money you will make. Another way to earn is by going back to the Earn button and clicking Click Grid. Each grid contains advertisements, and an ad will appear once you click this box, and you may do this again and again. Once the box turns red, this indicates that you already clicked this box and have viewed the advertisement. One digit adds a new clip, and it all adds up to 0.5 cents with every click. You can potentially earn $5 within a few minutes of clicking. Lastly, by referring friends, you will be able to earn a passive income. You can do this by sharing the links to the forums or various social media sites. Using this platform, you are able to get money. Others can help you earn, so make sure that you don't miss any steps that we have told you in this video. I told you, this step is easy to do and you don't really need to do much, or you don't really need much skills in order to do this. I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!